Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful vitamin A cream. This vitamin A cream is a wonderful anti-aging cream that smoothens wrinkles and brightens skin tone well. One of the big problems with homemade creams is the shelf life. But this cream has a long shelf life as we are not using fresh extracts. The base for this cream is carrot. Carrot is a good source of vitamin A, and regular use of this cream will keep your skin smooth, soft, supple and youthful. I was first making this cream with fresh carrot extract and aloe vera gel, but it was spoiling very fast. So I made my own carrot powder at home that smells incredible, and then made the cream using glycerin, beeswax, jojoba oil and carrot powder, and the cream was unbelievably good. I prefer lighter oils like jojoba, but you can use any unrefined oil of your choice. Now since it is peak summer here in Tamil Nadu, I made the carrot powder easily in a day. But if you are living in a cold place, you can also buy carrot powder from the shops too. I'll leave the online links for buying all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. To make the powder, first grate carrots in a grater. If you're not using organic carrots, make sure to wash well and peel the outer skin using a peeler before grating. Grate the carrots depending on the amount of powder you need. Now spread the grated carrot in a plate and sun-dry under hot sun for a day or two till crisp like this. Carrots does lose some nutrients while sun-drying, but it is a small trade-off for the longer shelf life. Now take the dried carrot while still crisp from sun-drying in a dry mixer and powder finely. After grinding it finely, sieve to get a fine powder. To make the cream, take a teaspoon of grated beeswax in a bowl. You can also use beeswax pellets too. Now add in a tablespoon of virgin cold pressed jojoba oil to it. You can also substitute it with unrefined oil of your choice too. Now melt this mixture in a double boiler till beeswax melts completely. Now to the melted mixture, add in half teaspoon of carrot powder. Now add in quarter teaspoon of vegetable glycerin too. Now while the mixture is still hot and liquid, strain it using a cloth or a fine stainless steel strainer. Now pour the mixture in the desired container and let it thicken. Within a few minutes, it will start thickening. Now store this cream in a cool place and use daily. This cream can be used both day and night. To use, take very tiny bit of the cream and massage it all over the face and neck immediately after bathing. When you're making this cream, you have to keep two things in mind. First, you have to strain the mixture before pouring into containers, else the cream will be very grainy. The second thing is to use the proportion given, especially if you need the perfect creamy consistency. But you can also keep this recipe as a base and try out different proportions if you need a different consistency. I prefer making small batches, but you can also double or triple the recipe too. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.